Ever wondered why people across the world are so obsessed with pasta? One bite of the right pasta can instantly make someone fall in love with Italian cuisine. From creamy and cheesy dishes to spicy and flavorful sauces, pasta has become one of the most comforting and satisfying foods ever created. But here's the exciting part: not all pasta is the same. Different shapes are specially designed to hold different sauces and flavors, making every type unique and unforgettable. Let's discover the 5 most famous pasta types that have captured the hearts of millions of food lovers around the world. The first and most iconic pasta is spaghetti. This long, thin, noodle-like pasta is one of the most recognized foods in the world. It is commonly served with rich tomato sauce, meatballs, garlic, olive oil, or creamy sauces. The smooth texture and long strands make every bite satisfying and fun to eat. Whether served in a luxury restaurant or homemade in a simple kitchen, spaghetti always feels special and delicious. Next comes penne, the tube-shaped pasta loved for its ability to hold thick sauces inside. Penne is often used in creamy white sauce pasta, spicy arrabbiata sauce, and baked pasta dishes loaded with cheese. Because of its shape, every bite is packed with flavor, making it one of the favorite choices for pasta lovers. It is also very popular in restaurants because it works perfectly with both vegetarian and meat-based recipes. Another world-famous pasta is fusilli. This spiral-shaped pasta looks beautiful and tastes amazing because the twists trap sauces, herbs, and cheese in every corner. Fusilli is commonly used in pasta salads, pesto dishes, and creamy recipes. Its fun shape makes it especially popular among children, while food lovers enjoy how perfectly it mixes with rich sauces and vegetables. Then comes the legendary macaroni, one of the most comforting pasta types ever created. Small, curved, and easy to cook, macaroni became globally famous because of the classic dish mac and cheese. Covered in melted cheese and baked until golden, macaroni creates a creamy and comforting experience loved by both kids and adults. It is also widely used in soups, salads, and quick homemade meals. Finally, there is ravioli, the pasta filled with surprises. Unlike regular pasta, ravioli comes as small stuffed pockets filled with cheese, chicken, spinach, mushrooms, or meat. Every bite delivers a burst of flavor hidden inside the soft pasta layer. Ravioli is often served with butter sauce, creamy sauce, or tomato sauce, making it one of the most luxurious and delicious pasta dishes in Italian cuisine. These 5 pasta types are not just foods, they are global sensations that bring happiness, comfort, and flavor to millions of people every single day. Whether you love creamy pasta, spicy pasta, cheesy pasta, or stuffed pasta, there is always a perfect pasta waiting to satisfy your cravings.